Hello everyone, I have a really interesting thing to share. This time it's not about prompt optimization or token optimization. This time it's about building one more level deeper. It's around building a system around the AI model so that AI model gives us right and quality output. So we are trying to build something known as the company's brain, and the problem we are trying to solve is the knowledge problem. And the first step towards it is the design to code. Let me explain how we are trying to do it. Every week, the same thing happens. A designer gives a perfect screen to the developer. This screen exists in Figma. A developer also has its own design system, but this design system exists in code. They are not interacting with each other. Although the both design systems are made to solve towards the same problem, working towards the same product, they don't interact, and the AI does not know how the design system with Figma connects to design system with code. And this cost compounds silently. If the designer is on version 3 and the developer is on version 2, it creates a lot of problem in velocity as well as quality. So the knowledge is not compounding over the period of time. And yes, this is our Candy, the design system. This is a design system which we have made, which contains all the information about our typography, our versions, our colors, everything is there encoded. When you use it, the UI is going to be always right. But knowing how required knowledge that was always there in people's head. We are trying to solve this by making the knowledge AI friendly. So AI learns it over the period of time and it compounds. So how we are trying to solve this problem? We are trying to solve this problem by creating a set of skills and rules. What is a skill? A skill is a set of instructions which is given to an AI model to execute a particular type of task. It does not tell how to do it, but it tells the steps to consider, it tells what not to do, what to consider, and there is a specific process which is outlined for an AI model so that it does not try to invent its own process. Yes, skills are not about prompt engineering, they are about context engineering. Skills are made so that every process which we follow in the organization, we are encoding them in a document so that AI model also follows the same process. And how the design skill works for us. The first step it does, it auto updates the file. So it takes all the latest design system we have, it updates it to the latest design system. The second step is taking the Figma MCP and parsing all the data we have from the Figma MCP, taking all the assets, colors, designs, images, and everything would be taken here. The third step, most interesting one, it's translating the raw values from Figma into our Candy tokens. So it's mapping the design system of Figma to the design system in code, and the knowledge problem we are trying to solve it in this way. Finally, then there is an architecture review which also makes sure the code is of good quality, and in any case if this fails, the entire loop will run again, it will generate the architecture review and ship production ready code. This is all done using a single command, and there is no prompt also required for it. Again, the quality is not at all optional here. We have added multiple checks, multiple validations, a lot of guardrails so that the code is also of good quality. At the same time, the design also matches accurately with Figma. There are a lot of things which I state. This will compound over the period of time, and over the period of time, AI will come to know how our code, how our design system evolves, and this gives AI model the knowledge, the institutional knowledge we are missing at this point. And yes, this is not the end of it. Design to code is just one part of it. There is also product engineering, analytics to code, tracking. All of this, we definitely have processes built around it. It's just that our AI models, our AI does not know how these processes works. The goal is that we create these processes for the AI models so that they follow the same things which humans do and give the same quality of output which we are trying to achieve. Thank you.